introduce, my name is Friska Amelia Sari. Here I will read the text. Communicable disease. A communicable disease is any disease that passes between people or animals. People sometimes refer to communicable disease as infectious or transmissible disease. Pathogens including bacteria, virus, fungi, and protists cause communicable disease. A person might develop a communicable disease after becoming infected by the pathogens. This may happen through direct contact with a person carrying the pathogen, contact with contaminated fluids such as blood, mucus, or saliva, inhaling contaminated droplets from another person's cough or sneeze, receiving a bite from an animal or insect carrying the pathogen, consuming contaminated water or food. Once a pathogen has entered a person's body, it will begin replacing the individual may then begin to experience symptoms. Some symptoms are a direct result of the pathogen, making the body cold. Others are due to the body immune response to the infection. Communicable diseases are usually mild and symptoms pass after 5 days. However, some can be serious and potentially life-threatening. Types and symptoms. For many types of pathogens cause infection: virus, bacteria, fungi, and protists. Virus are thin pathogens that contain genetic material. Unlike other pathogens that lack the complex structure of a cell to replicate, they must enter the cells of other living beings. Once inside, they ask the cell's messenger to make copies of the cells first. Some different viruses include rhinovirus are a group of viruses that are responsible for the common cold. Influenza virus are infections that attack the respiratory system. HIV attacks the immune system of its host. This makes the person vulnerable to other infections and disease. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms. They exist in almost every month on Earth, including inside the human body. Many bacteria are harmless and some help the body to function. However, bacteria can also cause infection that damage the body. Fungi are a type of organisms that include yeast, mold, and mushroom. There are millions of different fungi, but only around 3 occur cause harmful illnesses. Fungal infection. can occur anywhere in the body, but they commonly avoid the skin and mucous membranes. Some different types of fungal infection include protists. Protists are microscopic organisms that typically consist of a single cell. Some protists are parasitic, meaning they live on or inside another organism and as the organism nutrients for their of survival. Protists can cause viral disease. The protist Plasmodium causes the tropical disease malaria. That parasite can pass from person to person through mosquitoes. How to prevent transmission? People can reduce the risk of contracting or transmitting disease-causing pathogens by following the steps below. Washing their hands thoroughly and regularly. Disinfecting surfaces at home, often especially door knobs and food areas. Practicing good hygiene when preparing unhealthy food. Avoiding eating spilt food. Avoiding touching wild animals. Receiving available concessions. Taking anti-malarial medications when traveling where there is malaria risk. Treatment. Some transmissible disease cause only mild symptoms that disappear without treatment. Others may cause severe symptoms or potentially life-threatening complaints. The treatment for such disease depends on whether they are bacterial, viral, or fungal. Viral infection. Vaccines are a highly effective method for preventing specific viral infection. When a person receives a vaccine, they are receiving a dead or infected form of the virus. The immune system responds by producing antibody capable of killing an active form of the virus in the future. If a person already has a virus, they might require antiviral medications to keep the virus under control. Bacterial infection. A person has a bacterial infection may request a course of antibiotics to help control the infection. The drug works by killing off the bacteria of preventing them from replacing. Fungal infection. A severe or chronic fungal infection may require over-the-counter or prescription antifungal medication. These are available in both oral and topical form. Summary. Transmissible diseases are diseases that can pass from person to person. The pathogens that cause these diseases can spread in various ways, such as through the air, contact with contaminate substance or surface, or from animal and species. Many communicable diseases show mild symptoms that go away without treatment. Other require treatment to prevent them from becoming more serious. There are steps a person can take to reduce the risk of contracting and transmitting disease-causing pathogens. These include refusing available vaccines, practicing regular hand washing, and maintaining good hygiene at home. Thank you.